Affiliate Promotion Sequence. Hello, welcome back to the training. In this video, I'll be showing you an effective affiliate marketing sequence you can use in making your own promotion. There's a pattern for going about a successful affiliate promotion that will give you heavy commissions, and it's what I'll be showing you in this video. So, the first step in this sequence is to contact the product owners for a discount to offer to your subscribers. Just so you know, not every product owner is going to give you a discount. Some might decide not to give discounts because they want the launch to be that way. But if they approve the discount, you are to mail your list using the coupon. After that, the next step in the sequence is to create an opt-in page. What I mean by an opt-in page here is your pre-sale or pre-launch page. I already talked about this in a previous video. So you create this pre-launch and add an opt-in form to it so your subscribers can opt into the form. The next step is to send your subscribers from the opt-in to a review video you did on the product. The opt-in form on your pre-sale page should be customized to redirect to your video review page anytime someone opts into the form. So you send them first to your pre-launch page where they opt in and be redirected to your video review page. The video review page now shows a video of you using the product and demonstrating how it works to them. They will believe the product more when they see you using it. The next step is to tell them the benefits of the product. You can write out the benefits of the product still on the video review page, or you send it as an email to people that opted in from the pre-launch page. Next step is to share something that is familiar, something they can relate with. When sending a mail to them, you don't just go direct and ask them to go and buy the product. No. What you do is share a story. You build a story around that product and slowly tell them about your offer. Next step is to tell them about the discount you're giving them for this product. If you're able to secure a discount for them, this is where you tell them about it. And you also have to add that the only way they can get the discount is through your link. While doing this, you must include scarcity in your mail. Don't be the one to give them the feeling that they can sit on the fence for as long as they want. You won't make much commission by doing this. You must include scarcity elements to your email. Tell them when the discount coupon ends. You must also tell them exactly what action they should take. If you want them to register for a webinar, sign up, or buy a product, whatever it is, you must state it clearly for them. I believe all the points I've shared here make sense to you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Factors to ensure great promotion.